Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to do a lip kiss. First, ensure both partners are completely comfortable and willing to share this intimate moment. Creating a relaxed and inviting atmosphere is key. Perhaps dim the lights slightly or play some soft, gentle music. Remember, good oral hygiene is essential for a pleasant and fresh experience for everyone involved. This sets the perfect foundation for a memorable kiss. As you approach, lean in slowly, making gentle eye contact to confirm your partner's readiness and interest. To avoid any awkward nose bumps, remember to tilt your head slightly to one side, allowing for a smooth connection. Begin with a soft, closed-mouth kiss. This is a wonderful way to test the waters and build anticipation before deepening the embrace. It's all about a gentle start. To deepen the connection, gently part your lips, allowing for a soft, open-mouthed kiss. When introducing your tongue, do so sparingly and with great sensitivity, always following your partner's subtle cues and reactions. Feel free to vary the pressure and intensity of the kiss, exploring what feels most pleasurable and comfortable for both of you. Communication, even nonverbal, is key. When you're ready to conclude, slowly pull back, maintaining that warm eye contact and perhaps a gentle smile. A soft touch, like a hand on the cheek, or a quiet whisper can beautifully extend the moment of affection. Remember to communicate openly with your partner afterward about what you both enjoyed. This helps ensure even more wonderful kisses in the future. It's a shared experience.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.